It is January 27th, about 11 p.m. down here at the Mississippi River Valley in the middle of a snowstorm with wind chill right now. They say it's negative 20 degrees below zero. It's pretty nippy. I'm down here with Tammy.
Hi.
And my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan, the black dog. The other dog's my long-coated German Shepherd Lobo. Come along. It's a beautiful night. You're on the water there, go this way. They're just playing. Kurgan's very vocal. Good boys. Nippy out here, huh? Yeah. Kurgan just had his third birthday yesterday. I uploaded a video of his birthday meal if anyone's interested in seeing it. Turned out pretty good, I thought. He enjoyed it. I can feel the ice freezing in my beard. Yeah. We're supposed to get up to 9 inches tonight. They already closed the public schools for tomorrow. They might be closed Tuesday too. Temperatures are really supposed to drop after the snow. It's going to get a lot colder than it is right now. That's why they're closing the schools. Anytime it gets below 25, below zero, the schools close. And they're expecting that up through Wednesday, they're saying. Below 25 below. We come out hiking in all weather though. I've got videos down below of us walking in negative 30 below in colder weather. Absolutely beautiful. Winter's in my blood. I can feel I got a mustache and beard full of ice right now. Taking some pictures?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Coming.
Just wanted to make sure the fairies didn't get you. Or the Mississippi witch.
Right?
She's everywhere.
One of them.
Ooh, good stuff. Good buddy. Nice. Definitely all virgin snow we're walking in. Nobody's going to be down in this tonight. Huh? said definitely virgin snow. Nobody's going to be down in this tonight.
I know. Yeah. People told me last night. That's what I mean for a snow angel. You know, they do it in the front yard.
Well, it's amazing the spring water doesn't freeze, yeah, even when it's cold like this. This is part of the runoff from Coldwater Spring, which comes out of the ground up the hill up there a ways. Has a lot of religious significance to the Native Americans of the area. They believe that this area sat under the center of the sky and was the center of the world, and would gather here from all over at Coldwater Spring for different ceremonies and meetings. When Minnesota was settled from Fort Snelling, which is down that way a ways, they piped in the water from Coldwater Spring to the fort. Yeah, it's just beautiful down here. But as I was saying, the water, even though we're quite a bit a ways from the spring, still isn't frozen. And like I said, it's negative 20 below zero. Yeah, he's waiting to pounce on Lobo.
He's just chilling. There he goes.
Good boys. Don't knock me off here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't knock me down. Watch out here so you don't slip him. Gonna dig in the edge of your foot. All right. Fortunately, we both are wearing ice chains. I wear those down here all winter long. They really give you good traction. I highly recommend these chains over those Trax devices and some of the other ones. They're a lot more sturdy, and I think they give you better traction. Buddy. Well, you can see 20 below zero. They're still going in the water. Well, I think this is as good a spot as any to wind this video out. We'll probably shoot another clip because it's so beautiful. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. If you liked it a lot, you'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Bye from me, Tammy.
Bye. See ya.
Lobo, and Mr. Kurgan. Bye.